Hey everyone, in today's video, we dive deep into the world of logical operators in SQL. This powerful tool will take your queries to the next level. I'll break down exactly what they are, how to use them, and why they are essential for any SQL master. So, hit the subscribe button and get ready to unlock the secrets of logical operators in SQL. In SQL, logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions in a where clause to filter rows based on specified criteria. These operators allow for complex filtering of data in SQL queries, enabling users to retrieve only the information that meets the specific criteria. Now, let's look at the types of logical operators in SQL. The first operator is the AND operator. The AND operator is true if all the conditions are true. The second operator is the OR operator. The OR operator is true if any condition is true. The NOT operator is used in combination with other operators to give the opposite result, also called the negative result. The IN operator is true if the value is present in a list of values, and the between operator is true if it is between a range of values. Now, let's look at some examples to understand each of the operators better. In this example, we can see a table called employees with the following columns: ID, name, department, salary, and hire date. Now, if you have to query to retrieve the employees which are in the engineering department with salary greater than 50,000. So what are the conditions here? The conditions here are that the department should be engineering and the salary should be greater than 50,000. Since we have both conditions which need to be satisfied, we'll use the AND operator. So let's see how to use that. So after employees, write where to filter the data department is equal to engineering and salary greater than 50,000. And now when we run it, you will find the details of the employee whose department is engineering as well as his salary is more than 50,000. So that's how you can use the AND operator. Now let's look at the OR operator. In this example, you can see that there are following columns: employee ID, first name, last name, department, and salary. Now, if the question is asking you to retrieve the employees who work in either the HR department or have a salary greater than 55,000, it means that any of the condition if satisfied, the answer is true. So we'll use the OR operator. Now let's see how to use the OR operator. Similarly, after employees, write where to filter out the data department is equal to or salary greater than 55,000. And now when you run it, you see the list of employees whose department is either HR or the salary is greater than 55,000. So that's how you can use the OR operator. Now let's look at how to use the NOT operator. In this table, you can see that there are three columns: student ID, student name, and age. Now, if you want to retrieve the record of students whose age is not equal to 20, how can we do it? We can use it with the help of a NOT operator. Similarly, after students, write where not age equal to 20. And now if we run it, it will give you the list of all the students whose age is not equal to 20. So this is how you can use the NOT operator. Now let's look at how to use the IN operator. This is a table which consists of these columns: employee ID, first name, last name, department, and salary. Now, if you want to retrieve all the employees who are in the department sales, marketing, or HR, how can we do it? We can either use the OR operator or use the IN operator. Now let's look at how to use the IN operator. Similarly, after employees, write where department in open bracket and then write sales, comma, marketing, comma, HR. Now if you run this, it will give you the list of employees whose department is sales, marketing, or HR. So this is how you can use the IN operator. Now let's look at how to use the between operator. So this is a list of employees with the employee ID, first name, last name, and hire date. Now if the question is that you want to retrieve all the employees who were hired between 1st January 2022 and 31st December 2023, how can we do it? We can do that with the help of between operator. Similarly, after employees, write where hire date between 2022 January 1st and 2023 December 31st. Now if you run it, it will give you the list of employees who were hired between 1st January 2022 and December 31st, 2023. So that's it for logical operators in SQL. Remember, practice makes perfect, so jump into your favorite SQL environment and start experimenting. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on SQL. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.